Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Refilwe Modibedi. I'm the owner of Afro Hair Studio. We're located in Randfontein, Green Hills, 99 Kenneth Road. Okay, we started this business off because we saw a need for providing alternative hair care services in the West Rand, and also focusing on natural hair. And of course, we also wanted to provide a safe environment for our customers, even ourselves, because there's never been a salon in the West Rand specifically that focuses on natural hair. Okay. We offer a salon environment service because we not only do we focus on our products, we also have a salon where you can actually visit us and get a physical experience and feel of what we offer. We've got products, we've got shampoos, we've got hair butter, we've got hair growth oil, we've got accessories as well to help you protect and maintain your natural hair. All our products are not tested on animals, and we use organic products and free from harsh chemicals. So how you can purchase our products, you can visit us physically at the salon in Randfontein, or alternatively you can purchase our products at Eden Vine. It's a beauty store in Mainland. Alternatively, you can also purchase at online macro, www.micro.co.za. People must buy our products because our products really encourage hair growth. They encourage maintaining your hair in its most natural form, and as mentioned, because they're free from harsh chemicals, you will see that our products will actually help your hair grow in the most natural way. Our products actually are also very organic. We've got our shea butter, which does not have it's not mixed and it's not whipped butter. So basically our products, because of its organic state, it will actually help to grow your hair more healthier. You can get in touch with us by reaching us on our shop number, which is 081 043 1832. Alternatively, you can find us on Instagram, Afro Hair Studio. You can also find us on Facebook, Afro Hair Studio. Okay. Hi, my name is Refilwe Modibedi and I'm a township entrepreneur.